Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today attended the closing ceremony of the year-long centennial Jubilee celebrations of Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School in the presence of Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister, while congratulating the school on the historic milestone, said that it is the vision of the founding members and the commitment and the dedication of the past and the present teachers and the members of the managing committee that has brought the school to its present glory. Earlier, the Chief Minister felicitated the toppers of the school in different MBOS examinations and also released the Jubilee souvenir and a book edited by the President of the Managing Committee of the school.
It marks the transition of the school from yes to...
I can say without any kind of doubt in my mind that education is the most important sector and department for the state government in order for us to be able to achieve the kind of goals and the visions that we have set for our state.